favorite experience so far has been kayaking around Halong Bay. The bay is gorgeous. I'm still not over how pretty it is here, and it really doesn't feel like you're on a boat at all. It's like a floating hotel.
I heard about Oasis from our hotel. She told us about this 3-day, 2-night cruise, and we've looked at some pictures and it looked really great.
I had an amazing time. The views were breathtaking. The company was all fun. Great vibes everywhere.
My favorite part of the trip was probably kayaking through the caves into a lagoon between the mountains and Halong Bay. But down here, we definitely saw a lot more garbage kayaking, and it's kind of sad to see what's happening downstream because of what people do up in the river and in the cities, and it comes down here because it's the ocean and the exit.
I think the garbage situation is definitely a bit of an issue. I've seen some trash just floating in all the boats that we've taken.
I did observe a lot of trash in the water. There was more than I was expecting. I think it's quite sad because it's such a beautiful area and I wouldn't want that to ruin it. So, but I wasn't expecting it to be so much.
It actually feels good being able to work on a boat that's trying to do their bit and successfully doing their bit to actually help out the local environment, to be honest.
I think Oasis's initiative to ban single-use plastics is a step in the right direction, following suit with like a lot of other hotel chains. I think it's unnecessary to have so many single-use plastic water bottles aboard, and I think it's a really great idea that they're giving us these water bottles instead.
We use the reusable plastic in the Oasis cruise. I think that's good. We're doing something.
Oasis Bay as well are doing a really good job of trying to prevent it and coming up with different ideas of how to make it less